using the Hole Wizard tool in SOLIDWORKS. The Hole Wizard is a great tool that helps us work smarter and faster when adding hole details into our parts. New in SOLIDWORKS 2024, we can now create our Hole Wizard feature with a predefined sketch. Here we have a sketch drawn with a center point rectangle. We will now start the Hole Wizard feature and define the type of hole we wish to create by specifying the fixing that we will use. With those options filled, we will now go to the Positions tab and we'll use the New option to select an existing 2D sketch. With the sketch selected, the feature will add hole locations onto the solid points within the sketch. In this instance, that is the four corners and center point of the rectangle. I can specify instances to skip to remove the hole positioned at the center point of the rectangle. I could also click Create Instances on Construction Geometry to add holes at the end points of construction lines. Just like that, we have created 4 countersunk holes that we know will fit to the fixing specified.